Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever feel like you're constantly starting new tutorials, never really progressing on your coding journey? Well, you're not alone. You might be in what we call tutorial hell. Don't worry though, we're going to explore it and find a way out together. So, what exactly is tutorial hell? This term describes the situation where learners trapped in an endless cycle of tutorials. They start one, maybe finish, then start another, often without deeply understanding or applying what they've learned. The problem is, it's quite easy to follow a tutorial, typing word for word, understanding things at surface level. But when it comes to creating your own project, you draw a blank. The error messages start popping up and you feel lost. Sounds familiar, right? Tutorial hell often leads to frustration, a feeling of incompetence, and for some folks, they might even give up coding altogether. But remember, it's a place, not a state of being. Good news, folks, there's definitely a light at the end of the tutorial hell tunnel. How do we reach it? The secret is transitioning from passive learning to active application. Wondering what that involves? Let's break it down. Passive learning is when you're absorbing information, like watching a video, reading a book, or, of course, following a tutorial. However, this is just the first step of the learning process. On the other hand, active application is when you take that knowledge and apply it by creating something of your own. This is where the real concrete learning happens. The key is moving from consumption to creation. Instead of following a tutorial step by step, use what you've learned to build your own projects, big or small. Will you encounter problems and make mistakes? Absolutely, and that's an integral part of the learning journey. Each error message, each bug, and each solution is a step forward in your coding expertise. Troubleshooting is more than fixing an error, it's the process of figuring out why that error occurred and how to prevent it in the future. Maybe you've heard of the saying, you learn from your mistakes. In coding, it's more like, you learn from your debugging. So don't be afraid of errors or bugs in your code, embrace them as part of your learning journey. This hands-on problem-solving approach will take you on a fast track out of the tutorial rut and into becoming a confident, proficient coder. Remember, being an active learner isn't about knowing all the answers, but about taking initiative, seeking out challenges, and persistently working toward solutions. And in the vast world of coding, that's a surefire strategy to success. Transform your tutorial hell into a tutorial heaven by allowing the struggle, the confusion to take place. That's how you grow as a programmer. Remember, discipline and consistency can change this unstable system of perceived incompetence into a skill-honing stage. Alright, that's a wrap for this video on tutorial hell. Feeling stuck now? Tell us about your experiences down in the comments. Remember, every coder has been there. The key is to keep pushing forward, keep experimenting. Until next time, happy coding.